So I was just cleaning this, yeah, trying to clean this lid, but the light was off. So I'm here trying to clean this, and I was cleaning, but I was thinking, wait, let me turn the light on. Then God was just like, it's much easier to clean when it's in the light, and related it to our hearts and how it's close to bin, and how there'll be issues we know we need to heal from, or things like that, but then we won't bring them to God because it's like, oh, I don't want to cry, I don't want to be drained, oh, I don't want to think about this thing again. And God really wants to, God keeps reminding me, I keep getting flashbacks about it, but I don't want to talk about it, I don't want to talk to God about it. And then we try and heal ourselves and try and teach ourselves the lessons. Let me extract the lesson myself. Okay, bringing this back to mind. Yes, okay, I'm going to be less angry because you keep bringing the time I snapped. Yes, God, I'm going to be less prideful because you keep bringing the time that I told someone about themselves. Yes, God, you're going to, add in your own. But God's just like, can you just bring it to the light? I am the light. Can you just bring your pain to me, and we can get cleaning together and faster and more properly. Boy, revs, yeah, there's revs in everything, and by revs I mean revelations, and by revelations I mean when God speaks and when you actually deep it. That's what a rev is, when God speaks and when you deep it.